G'day everyone, it's Luke here. Just been asked a few times recently on the YouTube channel how things are going with my Parks 15. So I'm here to give you a quick spiel on it, and then we'll get some more footage and then go from there, and I'll finish this afterwards. So we're at Spuds here at the moment, only 4x4. I went and picked the van up from Oxley yesterday, 6 hours each way, which at 47 degrees is better to be in the car than not. When I got there, there's another latch failed, which failed while it was there, and another latch failed here. So on the way back, I stopped off and installed these, which seem to be a much better fit, much better design for what we're doing. Aside from that, the boys there, Scott at Australian Campers, turned the pump back the right way, so it now pumps water the correct way. He fixed a couple of little bits and pieces too, so shout out to Scott for that. We're just going to I'm going to fix these latches today, and we're going to put new suspension in. I've got ordered some Lovell's suspension, 2-inch lift kit, comes with springs and shocks and everything you need to do the job. Shout out to Ellen from Lovell's Springs. She got them overnight from Sydney to Mildura, so we're going to get them in today and see how it goes. Got the old shocks coming out here. I'll look on the passenger side, about 20,000 Ks, maybe a little bit more, and they're absolutely rooted. And now I've just pulled it all apart and found also the bushes up in here. Oh, I've just come back after 48 degrees of fitting air conditioners and trying to sort stuff out, and Spud has done an awesome job. getting the suspension in. We had a few little dramas, had to get some, because we couldn't get any bushes, we had to actually make bigger shafts to go inside. Had to take it out by 2 mil because the bushes have been flogged out so much, so we had them machined up, putting them in there working well. Didn't get to the bearings, which we'll do Monday, but we'll head to Adelaide tonight, get the wheel alignment done, and then we should be right. But if you have a look, like, that's a phenomenal difference from that kit put in. Super excited about that. Cheers to Lovell's. Sound of their clearance up the woo-ha. So we'll give it a crack tonight, see how it tows. The movement is substantial, so it's better rock this thing flat out. But as you can see there, bugger all movement and pulls up straight away. So very happy with that. Can't wait to test it. Thanks very much.